Hello friends, good morning. This is Durga again from Mitversity, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. So at this time we are talking about bloggers, becoming a professional blogger. And for that I have already created a playlist, and this is the playlist. So far we have seen the introduction, how to set up on DigitalOcean, and then we have covered quite a lot of stuff as part of this playlist. And as part of this video, I will be primarily focusing on themes. So theme is very important. It actually controls how your site is visible, and understanding the concepts behind themes and what are free versus paid themes, demo or live preview, download and activate, customization, and important components in a theme is the agenda for this video. Okay, so first let us understand what is the default theme. So when I go to blog.itversity.com, this is how it will look like. It is nothing but a default theme. Okay, and to manage themes, you can go to the dashboard by going to the admin console, blog.itversity.com, WP admin. Once you log in, it will look like this. Themes, you have to and go to, okay. It takes some time to open. Come on. Just a moment. I don't know why it is taking so much of time. Probably someone might be hacking. Let me check that. It came up. So you can see that by default there will be only three themes. One is 2016, other one is 2015, and the third one is 2014. So by default it uses the latest one, which is 2016, and this is how it look like. It's a very simple theme which you can use. And then there will be a sample blog post also, which is hello world, and it will open up with that. Okay. Now, if you want to create a new theme, to do that, you can download a theme and you can upload into WordPress, or you can actually click on add new, or you can also click on this plus sign here, and it will take to the same page, whether you click on add new or that plus. And you can see bunch of themes here. So first, you need to decide which theme you should use. You should start with the theme. Because theme is the one which will actually provide the visualization of your website. It has to be as appealing as possible to the audience, so that there is a recurring traffic. And then there are other components called plugins. This entire thing is theme, and plugins will facilitate plugins primarily to enhance the features on your website. So if you choose plugins first, and if you come to themes, then finding a theme which is compatible with plugins is very challenging. So better is to start with theme and then decide on a theme, because there could be some conflicts between plugins and themes, and it can cause serious issues if you go in a proper order. So first thing, you have to decide on theme, and you have to decide on compatible plugins, because for a similar task there will be a number of plugins available. Some will be conflicting with the theme, some will not be conflicting with the theme, some will be complementing the theme. That means they work very well with the underlying theme. So you have to decide on theme, and then when you go for plugins, you have to decide your requirements about how you can enhance the capabilities on your website. And then you have to see whether the plugins are either compatible or work with the theme, and then you have to choose those plugins only which are compatible with the theme. Okay, so here first you need to because this playlist is for amateur amateur IT folks also who are not very proficient in IT but successful in other areas and want to run their own blogging platform. For those guys, this is very important. First, you have to do enough homework to understand your requirements, and then there are themes for each and every specific purpose. So, for example, if you want to create a blogging platform for technology, you can search for themes for technology blogging. Or if you want to go for photography blogging, you can themes for photography, WordPress. And then there will be both paid themes as well as free themes. Not only to explore free themes, you can just say free and that's it. If you want to explore both paid and free and decide whichever is suitable for you, you can search the way I have searched. And then you can go through the themes and then you can decide. Whenever you go to these websites to choose the themes, there will be a demo button. So you can actually open on click on demo and go to a demo. In this case, let's say I want to run a magazine type of website. So for that, I have to search magazine theme WordPress. And there are 30 best free responsive magazines. It is under blog from Colorlib. And I can go through this and decide whatever theme I want to use. Okay, so these are primarily magazines. Most of the magazines will be using these themes. Probably you might have seen this kind of theme for some of the news websites. Okay, so I'm looking for the theme here. If I like this one, I can click on this one. And if I want to look into the demo, I can click the demo, click on demo. And then this is how the website will look like. So let's see how we can download this and activate this and how we can actually see our content itself on this. So and also before deciding on theme, I would recommend you to have at least a handful of blocks. And then having the theme will work. Means you will feel how your website looks like by transitioning into a new theme. So the theme name is, we have to get the theme name. It's iTrans. So let's see if it is available here. It's not there. So if it is not there, what you can do is, you can go back here. This is the theme which we are looking for. So we can actually click on more info and download. So let's see, the name is iTransform. Okay, let me look for that. On this one, let me close this one. iTransform. Yeah, it is there. If it is not there, then what you have to do is you have to download. It will download a zip file, and then you can go here, click on upload theme, and you can upload from here, and then you can install. So as it is available, I am installing directly. Clicking on this. So even if you upload, immediately it will show to install. Once you click on install, you will see same window to activate. Then click on activate. Once you click on activate, this will be available on the themes homepage. Now we have this new theme. And even before doing the activate also, you can actually do live preview. For example, here you can you see this live preview option and see how it look like, and then you can decide whether to go with this with it or not. So again, I'm clicking on add new button. For example, if you want to see how my website will look like using this one, I can click on preview directly, and it will put our website into this, and it will show how it will look like. Okay, sometimes it will use its own demo, or sometimes it will show our website. Here, as we don't have a lot of content, probably it might be using their own demo site. If you like this, you can click on install. Okay, I don't want to use it, so I'm canceling it. Now, I am going back to my themes homepage, and I already activated this theme. So now if I do blocks.itversity.com, this is how my website look like. Okay, so and then you have to understand various components. So for example, if we go back to this iTransform demo, you need to understand various components of theme, important components of theme. One is this one. This is called as menu bar. Typically, it is primarily to facilitate the navigation to your website effectively. So you have to be very careful while designing this menu bar. I will cover those things a little bit later. And then this is called as layout, how your homepage will look like. And then you can actually go to some of the blocks if they have already. So let me click on this one. So this is one of the blog which they have used as part of the demo. So this is how the blog post will look like. And there's a contact page at the bottom. So these are all components that come with this theme. For each theme, it might have different components. And to understand those, you have to go here, and you have to actually read the details about what all this theme provide. So let us see if they have provided any details. Let's go to theme homepage. No, not this one. They should give some details about what all will be there in this theme. For each theme, they present the information in a different manner. Let me see. Theme homepage. Probably here they might have explained. No, they haven't provided a lot of details about their theme here. Okay, but let's go back to this one, 30 free themes. Here they will provide a little bit of details. iTransform is a fine and clean WordPress theme that you can use without change. It provides a space for your contact information just right above the website header, next to social network custom widgets. So I have already explained. This is a menu bar. These are called as widgets. So this is one kind of widget. You can see the social networking things. And then we also see something called sidebar. In some themes, you will see sidebar. Like that, there are several components. One component is menu. Other component is widgets, header, footer. All these things you need to understand. Okay, and we use different components for different purposes, and I will explain as we proceed further. So for now, I have just given an overview about the theme and overview about the several components. I have already decided to use Iconic One for now. So if I search for Iconic One here, or Iconic, I want to see the free version, Iconic One. And if we go here, they give full details about what this theme is capable of. It's primarily fine-tuned for page speed and a few capabilities related to SEO and then typography. These are the main things which they provide as part of the theme. For now, I am happy with that, but later I might customize my website quite a bit. But for now, I will be using this just for the demonstration purposes. But if you want to take your website seriously, and if you think that there will be a lot of content on your website, you need to understand the theme thoroughly. Otherwise, you will have a lot of issues. So there is another one called Iconic One Pro, and if you go there, it's a paid one. They charge $45 or $49, and these are the features they give. So slider is another component. So what slider is? If we go to this transform, and if we go to the home page, you can see slides here. Whenever we click on this arrow, the slides will be moving. Even if we don't do any activity on the website, this will be changing. This is called a slider. So even Iconic One Pro have responsive slider. It has social media integration. It has features such as unique causal page style, inbuilt ad and analytics section. So like that, it has some of the features. Some of them are plugins, some of them are widgets, which will come with this Pro. But I'm using free version. As of now, I don't need all these features, so I'm using free version. And I have already downloaded that one. Now I'm activating it. Okay. So now, if I go to blogs.itversity.com, it provides visualization using Iconic One theme. That being said, that's it for now. As part of the next video, probably I will try to cover how to write a blog on this theme. Before that, we will also see what are the plugins I want to use. So you will understand my thought process, how I choose plugins. And using similar thought process, you have to decide what kind of plugins you have to use for your requirements. Okay, so we'll see how to decide on plugins, then install plugins, and then use those plugins to create the content in appealing fashion to the visitors of the website. Okay, that being said, I hope you're enjoying the content. If you like this video, please click on the like button here. If you want to provide the feedback, please use the comment section of the video. If you want to discuss further on this topic, you can reach out to me anytime. I'm available on all the social networking platforms. To get any updates, you can follow me on these platforms. And that being said, thank you. Bye.